Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by meeting the requirements. Equip the proper catalyst or seal, and ensure your mind and intelligence or faith stats hit spell thresholds. This unlocks full damage potential. Immediately bind a lightning incantation or sorcery to a quick slot, and place a lightning-infused weapon in your offhand if you use hybrid builds. Once done, apply Ashes of War that add bolt scaling or an active lightning skill so your melee and casting both benefit. Make sure to check FP costs and adjust your flasks before progressing. You now execute lightning offensives. Start by softening foes with distance bolts, then close to punish staggered targets. Lightning excels at burst follow-ups. Once you open a gap, weave a charged cast into a jump attack or heavy weapon strike to maximize stagger and posture damage. Make sure to bring Spirit Ashes for multi-target encounters and use area lightning incantations to control space. As you fight, manage FP and swap talismans that boost incantations or cast speed, so your sustain and tempo stay consistent. You finish encounters by committing to the highest damage option available, a final lightning incantation or your weapon's charged skill when enemies are vulnerable. Once done, top off with a quick melee execute if needed. If you notice damage dropping late game, respec or rebalance to increase faith or intelligence, upgrade catalysts and ensure weapons are properly infused. If things go wrong, verify FP. Confirm the active incantation and that the target isn't lightning immune. Changing element or switching to physical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.